Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change video background using VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and select new project. And since we want to edit video, we can choose video based. Okay, and then you can choose a background you want to apply to your video. And for example, I'm going to choose background from my gallery. Okay, for example, I'm going to use this picture as the background of my video. I'm going to click on next. Okay, and I'm going to go to the PIP and then select photos or videos, and I'm going to choose the video I want to change the background. Wait, I'm going to choose the green screen video, and then I'm going to click on fill to fit the screen, and then I'm going to remove the green screen. We can go to the chroma feature, select chroma, and you can place this circle on the green color or your background color, and then we can adjust the intensity and the spell as well. I'm just going to make it 100% and click on the check mark. Okay, and this is the final result guys. As you can see guys, that the background of my video has been changed. Okay, and just remember guys, we only have chroma feature and VN Video Editor. So if you want to make the result clear, the background should be green color or maybe another color, but it should be like this, like a green screen, because we don't have cutout feature here. So make sure you have green screen video so you can change the background clearly. Okay, and if you want to save the video, you just need to click on this icon. Okay, and then you can click on export. Okay, and now the video has been exported. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change video background on VN Video Editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.